Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2008 Toyota Rav4. We're going to be changing the transmission fluid. This will be just a drain and refill. Let's get started. If you have a plastic cover underneath, we want to remove that. Looks like mostly 10mm bolts around the perimeter. And in the back, looks like there was supposed to be something as well, but mine is just zip tied in place. So just look around, see what fasteners there are, and we'll pull off this plate. I think that's all the fasteners. We'll just pull this down, slide it away. There we go. Now let's drain it. That's a 10mm Allen. Let me move you again. Make sure it goes in all the way. There we go, crack it loose. Perfect. Pull it out. There we go. We'll wipe off our drain plug. Set that aside. All right, that's pretty good. We'll install a new washer. Put that on. Just wipe it off real good. The information I have says this is torqued to 29 foot-pounds. We can put our plastic undercover on and fill it up. Right here in the front is our dipstick. Pop that out, install our funnel. Now I'm gonna start with 4 quarts. There we go. Install our dipstick. So I still have the vehicle on roll-up stands. So in order to check the fluid correctly, I'm gonna back it down. We'll get an initial cold check, make sure it's within our little cold mark. If it is, then we'll take it for a really good test drive, get that transmission hot, and then check it again. If we need a little more, we'll put it in, and that's it. Good job. All right, there you go. That's how you can drain and refill the transmission on your RAV4. All in all, not too bad. Now this video was clipped out of a larger filter video, so your transmission may take a little less fluid than this. I would go ahead, just estimate how much came out and start with that. You can always top off as needed. Thanks for watching. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. We'll see you on the next one.